Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be a part 2 of the first video I post. I'm talking about no other than the Sony Clean Pro 3500. The Sony Clean Pro 3500 has a sleek design with a gray and white matte finish, 2-button operation, 5 brush modes, which you'll be able to listen to the modes in the first video. Easy to assemble, which comes with 8 replaceable brush heads and equals a 2-year supply, so they say. Up to 40,000 strokes per minute, and it does come with a rechargeable cable. Insert will be located at the bottom of the toothbrush. So trust me guys, this is something that you need to have. It's like being at your dentist's office without the price of a dentist. Next up, we have the Oral Probiotic. 60 capsule pills that you take one a day, 30 minutes before a meal. After taking the capsule and drinking the 8-ounce water, you notice a difference right away. It leaves you with fresh breath. I'll leave it up on the screen and give you guys a chance to look it over. Next up, we have the Guru Nanda Pulling Oil. This is a coconut and mint flavored oil. Now, in my opinion, it does taste a little too oily, but it does get the job done at making your breath smell and taste fresher. I did use this before I ate, and it didn't interfere with the taste of my food like a Listerine would. Now I'll let the rest of the video play. You guys can watch the other products that I use, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.